Park here with another video review. This time we'll be looking at another BB gun, and this one is the Walther P99. It has a new safety system, whatever it means. Bottom drop clips. It's from Germany. You go. 1999 it was made in. I haven't opened it up yet, so it's probably going to be like an orange colour or something, but here we go. There's the box, basically, nothing on the back, so we'll get it opened up and have a quick look. Hey guys, here it is, and I got a surprise from it, thinking it was going to be an orange or a blue or whatever. It's actually entirely black. And this is a BB gun, it's not gas, it's airsoft. You get instructions basically. You got all mission, velocity 90 meters per second, or is it millimeters per second? I don't know what it is. 0.5 joules. It's got a high cap magazine. I'll show that in a minute. Mechanical single shot. Weight is up to 290 grams. Of 6mm pellets. Basically, it's the basic. What is it? It's in German, most of it, in English. Tells you how it all works, how what not to do, what to do. You basically don't target any animals or people. Targets only. Or a couple of tips. Buy yourself a pair of these goggles. Goggles to protect your eyes, and also don't leave it loaded or cocked while you're putting it back in its box or wherever you're going to keep it. But anyway, here's the box. It's just a cardboard box. Just take these out. So, comes with some pellets, some blue ones. I don't know how many in there. There was more in there. I just had a couple of shots when I opened it. So yeah, a little baggy. Look at this is the cartridge, magazine. You can't quite see it because it's clear, but this is the 100 shot. Well, basically there's a little door at the back here. You pull it down, you pour all the BBs into there until it fills up, and as we've got to actually load it first. As you load it, the actual BBs fall into there. Well, supposed to fall into that, but look, you see inside there, you've got like a piece of plastic going there and there. BBs keep getting jammed in there. It's a good idea, but it's not practical. It's a good idea to have, but it's not practical. I would have preferred another one that's in the gun itself, but it's okay for about, what, 24 shots, but not the whole 100, but anyway. Gun itself. And sorry, I think the light's a bit bright. There you go. Here's the gun itself. It's plastic. It's all black, which really surprised me. I thought it was going to be like orange at the top here, or the whole thing orange or blue, whatever. But the whole thing's black. It looked extremely real. I probably end up putting a tip of something on the end of there, so I know it's not real. But you can hardly see inside there. It's got a good weight to it. All the weight's in the grip there. The things that metal. The trigger's metal. The pins that hold the mechanisms are metal. This plastic. The other side, the slide catcher, is metal. That's pretty much it. Oh, this I can't remember what you call it. Whatever that's called is metal. You have warning, read safety manual on there. You have the Walther logo on the bottom. Same on that side. You've got energy 0.5 joules. Then you've got trademark sliced by Carl. Is it? I can't remember what it said. I haven't got glasses on. It's from Walther, Germany. Serial number in there. Walther again, P99, and the only way you can actually see that it's not a real gun is the E. Oh, is this right there. It's because it says caliber 6mm BBs. That's the only way you're going to know it's actually fake. I'm going to have to change my light. Sorry about light, I'm just experimenting with it. Hopefully you can see it. There is good weight and everything. The cartridge, the magazine. It's right here is where the magazine release is. It's ambidextrous from both sides. It releases the magazine. As compared to there, I see it's the same shape and everything, except this holds 100. This doesn't, because it's got a metal piece inside there. I advise you not to do any modification to it at all unless you're tightening the springs up. Don't paint it or anything, because it is really serious. Because it's already black, I won't let it get done for it, like my Beretta. But you can see it's exactly the same, if you can see it. B99 with it, Walther. There's no, like on this side you've got, you can bring this down and hold it. This side hasn't, you just put the BBs inside and it holds 12. You can push it to 13, but you'll end up clogging the gun itself. It does fit inside there, but the whole gun's really light. The main weight is in this. So I'll just release that. So, other features it has the safety is a little switch. You've got safety on fire. Even if it's empty, always put it on safety. That's another tip. Cock it back. It does catch. The slide does catch. So pretty cool. This is a replica BB gun, by the way. As you can see inside there, you've got the chamber in there. That's see-through. That's all. And most of the BB guns I have are all they have like gaps in where this one doesn't hold up to light. You can't. There's no gaps. You know, like coming through there. There's no gaps at all. This could pass off as a real weapon. Pretty cool. It has a texture to it as well, so it looks metal. This is all plastic. So yeah. Slide back. Pretty cool. So again. Yeah. It fires quite well. I'll do a video of it firing it up close and at the camera, see how good it is. Can't remember how much it's for. It says it. God, hang on a sec. It doesn't say how far it shoots at all, but I'm guessing basic. So yeah, really cool. Recommend getting this. Got this from Amazon. Cost me $19.99 together with postage $24.99. So it's not bad. It's coming from Germany. Got it within 2 days at Christmas as well, which was amazing. Actually got this on Christmas Eve. Actually, got this on Christmas Eve. Comparisons. I have my Beretta somewhere. Here it is. Here's the Beretta. Let's pick the camera up. Nice. There you go. This side comparison. There's my Beretta, and there's the Walther. As you can see, size. I've tested it out and whatnot, and it's pretty decent firing. It's really accurate. It's more accurate than my Smith & Wesson 1911. It's really accurate. It looks like a real gun. Definitely a good display piece as well as that. If you do manage to get this, no matter where you are in the world, do not take it outside. And I advise you to at least paint the tip red. But yeah, you got something to tie on the bottom there as well. So you didn't see that, well, I see. Decent gun. So yeah, we'll get on to what's it like firing and everything. And okay. That's how it all fires and everything. So yeah, I'll be doing some more videos for the next year. So thanks for watching, guys. See you later.